Okay, so finally, let's look up the diameter of the sun, or let's look at the method that was used originally for finding it. So we know that the diameter of the moon is about 3,500 kilometers, and the sun's diameter is about 1.4 million kilometers. Now, the Greeks knew that the sun and the moon subtended the same angle, right? They both have an angle of about 0.5 degrees in the sky. This explains our solar eclipses. So if the sun was 20 times further away than the moon, then the diameter of the sun must be 20 times bigger than the moon. Of course, we now know the diameter of the sun is 400 times that of the moon, which gives you these two numbers. If you take this number and times it by 400, you should get this number right here. So there you can see they subtend the same angle. So if the diameter is 400, or sorry, if the distance is 400 times different, but they subtend the same angle, then the diameters must be 400 times different as well. So, summarizing, how do we get these 5 measurements? Diameter of the Earth comes from this method right here, measuring the difference in angle between 2 locations on Earth of the sun. Diameter of the moon comes from measuring the time taken for the moon to move through the Earth's umbra. Diameter of the sun comes from knowing the diameter of the moon and sort of being able to say, well, look, it's 400 times further away, therefore it's 400 times bigger than the moon. Distance to the moon comes from knowing the diameter of the moon and knowing the angular size. And then distance to the sun comes from kind of comparing the angle between the moon and the Earth, between the moon and the sun as viewed from Earth, and then working out the ratio of one side of the triangle to the other side of the triangle. So there's a lot of interesting ideas there. Try and make sure you're familiar with them all and use this as an opportunity to practice your ideas of trigonometry. Try and write out equations for different things to try and make sure that you understand why they work the way that you do. All right, hope you enjoyed that. See you later.